Hello, this is Lakshmikant Tiwari. In the previous tutorial, we have seen how to blink LED and how to generate code using STM32CubeMX for STM32F7 microcontroller. But in this tutorial, we are going to interface our LED with the push button which is available on STM-F7 discovery board, and that push button is interfaced with the GPIO I. When we will push the button onto the board, it will generate an interrupt, and then it will start to toggle the LED into the different with the different frequencies. Okay, so first of all that we need to change our STM32CubeMX settings. Here into the pinout we have to find the PI 11. Okay, so into the PI 11 we need to set it GPIO external interrupt. Okay, that's all what we need to set here, and come to the configuration and into the GPIO. You see GPIO has been set here external interrupt, and come to the NVIC and click on OK here, and now the nested vector interrupt has been enabled. Then regenerate our code one more time, close it and update your project. Fine. So here you can see an extra code will be added into the interrupt file, has been already it is added here. See, external file. So here let's change a delay variable. Earlier it was fixed, now make it t delay. Okay, and let's define t delay here into the private user variable. Okay, so let's define it u int 16t, that is unsigned sort, and t delay let's make it earlier first time 250, and then pass this variable into the different file. Okay, so sorry, now pass this variable into this file, so we need to define it as extern here. Okay, so we can define it extern u int unsigned sort and t delay. Okay, u int 16t, I think that is fine. Okay, and now what we can do it here, we can create a new code here. We can add some lines here. Before adding some lines, we need to remove button bouncing effects, so we can add a little bit code here just for delay. So int I is equal to the 0, and let's I put the I less than 65,535 and increment I. Okay, so there is a loop which will create a little bit delay. Okay, and nothing more than that for a button debouncing effect. And now read the LED, sorry, now read the push button. So we can read if all GPIO and read pin. So we are reading a GPIO 11, sorry, GPIO I. So GPIO I and GPIO underscore pin underscore 11, that is a push button, and then write a code here. If t delay, sorry, if t delay equal to 250, then change t delay to, let's say, 1000, else, that's mean if t delay is 1000, then set t delay to the 250. Okay, and just close this brace and compile this code. How it will work, when I will press here push button, microcontroller will come here and it will just toggle the T delay value, and this T delay toggle value will be reflected into the main code here, and corresponding to T delay value it will generate a delay. Okay, so let's download this code to the microcontroller. And here if I press this reset button first time, you can see now it is blinking very fast. Now when I will press this button, it will slow down. See? Okay, thanks for watching this tutorial, and stay tuned for the next tutorial where we will see some more example code for STM F7 discovery board.